Hello good people, welcome to the Zero Code channel. We specifically work on different product reviews just for you. We took our time and invested our energy to do extensive research on different products available in the market coming from different brands. The research included is checking out all the exclusive features, the durability, and also the reliability of the products. Our team is very experienced and they're working relentlessly so that you can find your perfect product. So be with us, support us, and pick your best product from one of them featured in the video. Thank you.
Number 5. Porter Cable PCE 211. 7.5 amp motor for heavy-duty applications. 450 feet-pounds of torque. 2,200 RPM, and 2,700 BPM for speed. 1 2-inch hog ring anvil for easy socket changes. Forward, reverse rocker switch. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Hammerhead Ewo 75. Powerful 7.5 amp motor delivers 2,200 RPM, and 2,700 BPM. 240 feet-pounds of torque for heavy-duty applications. 1 2 inches square drive, with friction ring for secure socket retention. Metal gearbox for added durability. Forward, reverse rocker switch for quick and easy two-finger operation. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Ingersoll Rand W7150K1. 780 feet-pounds of maximum reverse torque, and 1,100 feet-pound of nut-busting torque. Steel-lined aluminum hammer case, designed to be strong and lightweight. Patent-pending soft touch over molded grip, minimizes vibration. Includes W7150 impact tool, IQV20 charger, 20 volts Li-ion 3.0 Ah batteries. Durable construction with impact-resistant housing. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. DeWalt DC820B. Frameless motor for extended tool durability and life. Compact size and weight allow access into tighter areas. 1,740 pounds of torque to perform a wide range. 0 to 2,400 revolutions per minute, 0 to 2,700 IPM, for faster application speed. Replaceable brushes for increased serviceability. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Ingersoll Rand 231C. Classic, reliable design offers proven power, performance, and durability. Twin hammer mechanism delivers a maximum torque of 600 foot-pounds. Adjustable power regulator provides easy control of torque output. Ergonomic two-piece design is easy to operate and maintain. Arrives fully lubricated and ready for use out of the box. Please check the description for details and best price.